So guys, let me show you proof that I've made money from this website. I will just click on redeem and I will come down to order reward. Once I click on order reward, I will click on paper. Once I click on paper, I will now enter the amount I want to withdraw. So for the purpose of this video, just to show you proof that this is a cool website, I will withdraw $1 to just show you proof, and I will click on redeem. And it will ask, it say, are you sure you want to want this redemption? Yes, okay. So yeah, so it's asking us to enter our PIN. So I'm going to enter my PIN here. So I just enter my PIN. It say your PIN has been confirmed, and you may now continue with your with what you were doing. So I will just click on OK, and I will click on it again, and I will click on redeem option. Voila. So it said the reward has been automatically processed, and yeah, so I will just click on redeem, and done. So I have just received the money. So let us see the proof that I have received the money. So this is the payment proof I received. This is the payment proof. You can see it here. It says paper service at paper, and you can see Instagc. I will just click on that, and as you can see, this is the $1 we just redeemed today. So this is just to show you proof that this method is working. You can go and try it out. So now that you know that you can make money by this way, let me show you step by step how you can really make money with this method. So let us head over to the way that you will the strategy that you can use to make this type of money continuously. You can even make up to $100, but it depends on you. So I will show you the strategies now. So guys, as you can see, this is the website which is called Instagc. So what is Instagc? Instagc is a digital gift card reward center. It's kind of a website that allows you to take surveys, watch video, complete any task, and you are getting paid in return. So that is what you can do on Instagc. And what is good is that you can make money in multiple ways. You can make money by searching on Chrome, on their Chrome browser, which is what you can go and install their Chrome browser on the web Chrome extension, and you can shop online. You are getting paid, and you can watch videos. You are getting paid, and you can take survey, completing tasks, downloading application. You know, you do multiple things, and you are getting paid. So how are you able to make money with this application? How can you be able to use this application and make some free cash like what you just saw just now from the beginning of this video? So first thing, you need to register, but Instagc requires you to have at least a verified paper account. So if you want to get a verified paper account, there's a video that will show you how you can verify your paper account. So if I click on this session and enter my username to register, now is to register. So to register is very simple. I will enter my username, enter my password, re-enter my password, enter my email here, and I will click on sign up, and it will sign me up immediately, and I will get 10 points for just signing up. So once you have signed up, you have registered, they will send you an email. You click on that email for your account to be verified. So once your account will be verified, come back again to Instagc, click on log in. You can do this from your smartphone, so you don't need to worry. You can do this from your smartphone, so you don't need to worry about this. Then once you click on sign in, log in there, it will bring you to this page. Enter your username and password. So once you have entered your username and password, click on log in. So once you click on login, it will open up this tab that you can see on the screen. And once it open up, you can start taking survey in a very simple way. So you can see that you can take survey on Instagc, AppGate Reward, Hideout TV, Offer to Row, and a lot more website that you can take surveys from, and you are getting paid. So how does this website work? It works in a way whereby you answer question and you are getting paid. Like, what is your name? My name is John. That is all you do. So it's very, very simple. You give your honest opinion about a particular question that they are asking you, and you are getting paid in return. So that is what I need to talk about on this website. So let me show you now. Let's say, for example, we want to answer any question. I will just click on any one of the company here. I will click on this to answer question, like Instagc. You can see that they are going to pay me 80 points, which is 80 cents for each survey I'm going to take. Let me see. The survey can be like 1 hour, 2 hours, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. It depends on the time that the company is willing to pay you. That is how you can roughly move on with your that is how you can roughly, like, quickly take your survey, and you are getting paid in return. So that is how it works. If I go back again to that dashboard again, I can choose anywhere I want to take surveys from. Let me say this place. Now I click on add get reward. If I click on this company, is going to open, which is add get reward. It's going to tell me that I can download the application from my smartphone, iPhone, iPad, and Android. So I can choose any one of the device that I'm using, and I will just click on continue, and that is how it works. It's very, very simple. As you can see, you can change your countries here, the language, so that you can be seen that it's showing you in English, and you can just scroll down to choose any service that you want to complete, if it's downloading application, and a lot other ways that you wish to take surveys. You can see this one is going to pay you almost $1.47. So it continuously like that. So it's very, very simple. All you just need to do is to come to this website, start taking survey, and getting paid. This is how you can make free money. When I mean free extra cash, if you want to do this. So the link to sign up on this application will be in the description below if you want to try it out. And other way you can still make money is their affiliate program. If I click on this session, you will see promote. You will see under promote, you see affiliate link. So if I click on affiliate link, they have the affiliate link that you can just copy your link, share it with your friends, and you will see that you'll be making 10% lifetime earning from your friend, from anyone you refer, your friend or anyone. And two, you can enter their banner. If you click on promotion, if I click on promotion here, I click on banners. It will show you banners that you can go and paste on your website. Let me say you have a website like me. You can just copy any one of these banners and go and paste it on your website, and you are going to get paid if anyone click on it and sign up or register. So that is what I need to talk about, how you can make money with this website. Like I said again, how you can make money with this website, you can do a lot of things. You can even watch video from this website and make money. So how to watch video from this website and make money is when you click on, come to the dashboard here and click on Hideout TV. So once you click on Hideout TV, it's going to pop up and show. Hideout TV is going to show you multiple ways that you can make money by watching sport, watching food videos, music, celebrities, and a lot of ways that you can, like viral video, feast it, a lot of things. You can watch multiple videos and you are getting paid by just doing that. Let me say I want to take this survey. I will just click on start now. It will show me, to tell me how much points I will get by watching this video, and any ad that play while I'm watching that video, I'm going to get paid. And anything that anything that I click on that below the video, I'm going to see earn some cash. So that is how it works. You can see that you can watch video and you are getting paid in return. So if you watch video, they are going to pay you 0.7 points per each video you watch. So that is how you can make money by watching videos. And let me say you have your points now, you want to cash out. So how can you cash out? What are the options of cashing out? How does the cash out work? So to redeem your cash, you just need to click here and you will see a bunch of gift cards here. If I click on gift cards here, if I click on yes, gift cards store, you can see a bunch of gift card that is available in this country where I am, which is France. And if I click on this country here, let me say I want to select like United States. I will just scroll down and click on United States. Let me say United States. So if I click on United States, you will see that a bunch of websites will pop up that is on a bunch of gift card companies that is on United States will pop up. So you can see a bunch of gift cards here that you can just go and try them and see which gift card you want to use to redeem your money, depending on what you want to use your money to do. Let me say you don't want to use it as a gift card. You can just click on this option again and you can click on order reward. This section that say order reward. Once you click on order reward, it's going to pop up this icon that you can see here. You can cash out with Bitcoin or you can cash out with paper. So if I click on paper right now, it's going to open up telling me to cash out this $1. But if let me say for example, I want to cash out like let me say 200 or 10,000 points, I will just do like that, which is $10, which 1,000 points, which is $10. I will just click on 1,000 points. I will click on this $10 will be deposited into my paper account, like you just saw from the beginning of this video. So that is everything I need to talk about on this video, and I will say thank you very much from here. And if you like this video, all I want from you is just to hit that like button. That is only what I ask from you. And we have our forum now where you can ask any question about how you can make money online. So you can go and check out our forum. The link will be in our description below. Just check it out. You can still contact me on Instagram, on our social media. All of them will be in our description below. So you can go now and start making money with Instagc. I will say see you soon on my next video.